Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix GB WhatsApp checking for new messages. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download WhatsApp for the following platform. You can download for Windows, for your Android, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if you are encountering issues with the GB WhatsApp continuously checking for new messages and not delivering them properly, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. All right. Number one is, for example, if you are using the WhatsApp on web, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection, because GB WhatsApp requires a reliable internet connection to send and receive messages. Ensure your device has a stable and active internet connection so to avoid any problems with that. All right. Now, the next thing that you need to do is, now clearing the app cache can sometimes resolve the issues within the app performance, and this method only works within an Android device. Now from here, navigate to Apps or Applications Manager. In my phone, it says App Management, and from here go to App List. I need you to search for the WhatsApp. Now on this, I need you to go to the storage and cache, because we are going to obviously clear cache and clear storage. Once you do that, it can temporarily resolve some bugs and glitches that is happening on your WhatsApp platform. Now, when you delete the user data, what will happen is you will be logged out of your WhatsApp, and from here, just hover to the mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure the settings are correct, and then I need you to go to your Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure you have the latest version of the WhatsApp Messenger installed on your mobile device. After that, the next thing that you can do, if for example, you might want to reinstall the GB WhatsApp, but if the above steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to reinstall the GB WhatsApp. But before reinstalling, you need to go to the WhatsApp settings and make sure to back up your chat history. Now open your GB WhatsApp, go to settings, and from here hover to the chats, and here click on chat backup. After backing up your chats, uninstall GB WhatsApp from your device, and again download and install the latest version of the GB WhatsApp from a trusted source. Restore your chat backup during the setup process. All right. And again, if none of these steps work, all you have to do from here is contact the WhatsApp support center. All right. And from here, all you have to do is provide your phone number, your email address, and the reason of you contacting the WhatsApp, and that's going to be about the WhatsApp checking for new messages. And of course, you can also choose the platforms that you are using for the WhatsApp, like Android, iPhone, web and desktop, iOS, and other. And the next thing that you need to do is click on next step, and after that, hopefully one of the WhatsApp support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix this issue. All right. And by following all of these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of GB WhatsApp continuously checking for new messages without delivering them properly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.